Okay. 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 Good evening, everybody. I am from Kanna Foundation. My name is PASUKKANNA from India. I am introducing you to a new technology to heal your diseases. It's an Indian traditional way of curing all the disease. Now we may know all the medical references is dealing with modern medicines, Siddha medicine and Unani medicine, Ayurvedic medicine and various type of medicines, various countries. I am representing the Indian martial art from Varmakalai. This Varmakalai having so many resources and it is capable to dealing all the human amenities, lifestyle disorders and well-beings. I am collecting information from various temples and ancient and various. I am collecting information from various part of India, from various ancient books and temples, and come to a conclusion. This is the only solution to cure our diseases without any medicines. So it's amazing. If you are ready to use this technology, you will be benefited without side effects. Now WHO, everybody is knowing WHO, it is World Health Organization. The World Health Organization is giving three classifications of human diseases may occur in our lifetime. One is inborn diseases, 2 communicable diseases, 3 non-communicable diseases. So I am mostly considering the third category of non-communicable diseases, that is called NCD. The non-communicable diseases, mostly we may get throughout our lifetime instantly or continuously. So we have solution various types. The main cause is we must find a solution without side effects. Nowadays the side effect is very much, even food and toothpaste, and even our drinking waters and our lifestyles and career related, that is called professional disorders. So many alignments will be changed our lifestyles, so we may get various diseases. As our old system, ancient system of India, especially in Tamil Nadu, the Siddhas classified our human diseases may occur in our lifetime, that is 4,448 diseases. In that, almost 80% of the diseases called as NCD category, that is non-communicable diseases. We have solution. What is the solution behind that? In Varmakalai, we have 5 classifications in that. First one, it's a Padu Varmam. Second one, Todu Varmam. Third one, Tattu Varmam. Fourth one, Noku Varmam. Fifth one, Adangal Varmam. So, including these 5 categories, Varmakalai is considering our vital points in our body is 108 vital points in our body. We may go too deeply in this 108 Varma points, that is called vital points or Marma points. It may be benefited to cure our diseases, otherwise if you misuse that, we may get diseases. So now we are dealing with this technology using one category of Adangal Varmam. We are giving you to the solutions to cure all your diseases. How it is possible? Now let me introduce one thing. Our old Siddha song is Andathil ullade pindam, pindathil ullade andam. It is a Tamil proverb. What is that? It is everything outside is in your body also having. That is, we are a miniature of universe. So the universe is the vast area. Our human body is a miniature of universe. So what is in that universe? First of all, one is water, second earth, third one sky, that is Akash, fourth one is air element, five the fire element. Basically the fire element is the live condition. Without fire any person cannot live. So the fire is important here. So without fire we cannot make smoke. In our Tamil proverb, புகை இல்லாமல் நெருப்பு இல்லாமல் புகையாது. So without fire we cannot make a smoke. In that condition, the five elements will connecting to the fire will make another result. So the universe having the five element, our body also having five element. We from Kanna Foundation took a research on this concept. Basically, the Kanna Foundation is created by myself, and my motto is how to live longevity without any tools. Whether it is possible, nowadays it is not possible, but we made it as possible. Kanna Foundation, we succeeded more than 10 lakh people to teach this technology. Nowadays so many persons are following that also, and various countries also. You also now joining with me to ensure that this Mudra technology will be benefited to the human lives. Let me see how. One thing, our fingers as doctor is the motto. How to use our fingers as doctor? See, already I told you, what is in that universe is our body also having. So water, earth, sky and air as well as fire. So our fingers is the connecting tool to the universe and the human body. So this is the connecting tool, connectivity, the connecting switch in our body is our fingers. Our 10 fingers in our hand is to connect to the universe without any hassles. So our connecting tool is our fingers. How to connect, what is that in that, which finger is represent which element, let me explain now. See, our little finger is represent water, our ring finger represent earth, our middle finger represent sky, our index finger represent air, our thumb is represent fire. See, already I told you, without fire we cannot make smoke. So this thumb must be touched everywhere. Without thumb we cannot make this possible. So first water, earth, sky, air and fire. So using these five elements, how do we can able to cure all our diseases? Is it possible? Yes, of course it is possible. How? See, if a person is having cough or sneezing, it is called a sinus. These sinus symptoms, if a person having sinus symptoms means the water element exceeds in our body. So we must control our water excretion as much as possible. In modern medicine says If you take medicine, it will control 7 days. Without medicine, it will take 1 week. Now in Mudra science, our fingers as doctor will cure you within 1 day. Yes, it is true. How it is possible? See, this is our water element. So in our body, the water, excess water must be controlled. Whenever you want to control your body, you fold your finger and touch that thumb behind that. If you want to insert anything you want to intake, touch the tip of the thumb. So don't forget, the first point is, if you want to intake, touch the tip. If you want to control to intake, touch the middle of the folding finger. So this kind of technology we may use. First thing, let me know to introduce one main problem. It's a heart alignment. Whatever the problem having in your heart or heart diseases, we may use this mudra. This mudra is called Apan Vayu Mudra. This Apan Vayu Mudra is mostly benefited to reduce the risk of your heart attack and reduce your cholesterol level. Even continuously using this mudra, you will be benefited from blocks and blood related problems and so many. So how to do this mudra? See, using your 5 fingers. This is the first step. Step 1. Fold your index finger and touch the bottom of your thumb. Second step, using your tip of thumb and middle finger and ring finger, touch the tip. Make a round. The final step, extend your little finger as like this. This mudra is Apan Vayu Mudra. This Apan Vayu Mudra will be benefited for heart alignments. But one condition, you must do your own. Nobody can do for others. So this mudra will be benefited for self-use. Okay, what is the condition? Do's and don'ts. Yes, we have some do's and don'ts in that. What is that do's and don'ts? One thing is, you must do this mudra while sitting or lay down. The first condition is, mudra should be done in sitting or laying position and not while walking or standing. This is very important condition, because in Varmakalai we are using Adangal Varma or Tattva Yoga. In the yoga category, this mudra will comes under Tattva Yoga. In more specific, its name is Anguli Yoga. Anguli means your fingers. Okay. In the Varmakalai category, it comes under Adangal Varma. This Adangal Varma in our body is 8 places is found. One is our palm, the second one is our foot, third one is our tongue, fourth one is our eyes, fifth one is inside our body. It is a chakra concentration. Okay. Now, so at a time we cannot make 2 Adanga Varma simultaneously. That is why you cannot do mudra while walking or sitting. Okay, mudra should be done in sitting or laying position and not while walking or standing position. This is first condition. Second, leave a gap of 30 minutes before and after eating or even bathing. Third one, concentrate on the purpose of doing the mudra. If you are doing mudra for your heart, or if you are doing mudra for your arthritis, or if you are doing mudra for your fever, any problem. So you must concentrate to ensure that that problem will go off after doing this mudra. That is 1% of your benefit. So the fourth one, mudra should be done only for a limited period as directed by the book or any guru. Suppose if you have severe neck pain, okay, that comes under Sagana Vadam, that is cervical spondylitis in English we says. So that problem we may require 21 days continuous treatment. If you are doing that mudra for 21 days, amazing, it will be cured. Your cervical spondylitis will be cured. After that, if you need to do that mudra, not necessary. Whenever you get the problem afterwards, you can remain do that mudra. It is not mean that it's a lifetime medicine. Wherever you're taking the medicine, you do that mudra. Once it is benefited or cured, please stop that mudra. Okay? Women can do mudra even during the menstrual days. Next one, pregnant ladies, those who had underwent surgery, mentally challenged people, or those with any kind of effect on the fingers can do mudra, only the advice and guidance of the Guru. The final one, have any doubt, you must visit www.kannafoundation.org. So this is the helpline for your mudra using conditions. Okay, now let me tell you the sum of mudras, how to do in your day-to-day basis. I am creating 108 mudras and clinically tested all that mudras. In our Tamil culture, we have lot of evidences, but it is not undergoing any clinical test. We, Kanna Foundation, ensure that each mudra must be benefited and what is the duration and what will be the disease and how it will be do. Everything we proceeded under some doctor's advice as well as the clinical records also. Now let me explain one thing. This is Apanvaya Mudra. See, this is the conditions. This is the explanation and this is the pros and cons. This is the duration to do and this is the beneficiaries. Like this, we created 108 mudras and combined with this 108 sutras, we call it as sutra. Each sutra is having each mudra. So we give permutation and combinations of 108 sutras will be cured more than 500 plus diseases. It will comes under non-communicable disease category. So almost all the diseases, whatever the medicine we are undertaking right now, it may be practicing parallelly. So example, if a diabetic patient is taking only medicine, tablets, okay, so he is taking tablets as well as the mudra. After 21 days, he may check his diabetics level. Definitely the diabetic level will be day by day, the insulin secretion will be increased. So he go to the doctor and take him the advice and reduce the medicine is possible. So continuously 3 to 4 months doing the parallel medicine with using mudra, definitely you can come over from your diabetic without medicines. It is possible, it is true. Okay. Okay, what is the benefit to Apanvaya Mudra? One is irregular heartbeat. What is the symptoms if I are doing this mudra? Let me explain. One is irregular heartbeat. The second one is block in heart blood vessels. Third one, sudden heart attack. Fourth, cardiac diseases. Then palpitation. Then excess sweat. Whenever you feel these conditions, you please remind that you must do this mudra without fail. How to do this mudra? See, fold your index fingers and ensure that touches your palm below the thumb. This is step 1. Step 2, the tip of thumb should touch the middle finger and ring finger simultaneously. And ensure that making a round shape in that. The final step is extend your little finger like this. So this is the position. You must do both the hands. How many times we must do this? If any emergency case, you practicing up to the relaxing time, maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes, whatever time you may do. Then the regular basis, for preventive method, you must do this mudra for 15 minutes to 30 minutes every day. So a person, a healthy person doing this mudra every day morning for 15 to 30 minutes, definitely the Kanna Foundation assure you, you will not be attack any heart diseases throughout your lifetime. So this is proven technology. Okay, the benefits of this mudra is what is that? One is regularize the heartbeat. It is very, very important thing. Second one, prevents excessive cholesterol and blocks in blood vessels. Third one, doing this mudra after paralytic attack shows good improvements. Doing this mudra while fever, cough and cold for better benefit. These are all the benefits. Apart from first aid, if anybody wants to do this mudra regular basis, you may do. Because no other medicine is in our modern life, preventive is not supported. This mudra technology you can use as a treatment as well as the preventive medicine also. Okay, then what is the next mudra? Next mudra is dealing with your lungs congestion. So what is lungs? It's a reciprocatory system. This is main part, after that heart. This is lungs is symptom. What is the symptom? Respiratory problem in lungs, and the name of that condition is asthma or bronchitis, whatever it may be. So how to do this mudra? This mudra name is Swasa Mudra. Swasa in Tamil meaning is breathing. So whenever you feel breathing discomfort, don't worry about the name of the disease. You do this mudra, will be benefited within 3 minutes. Okay. How to do this mudra? Go to Namaskar position. This is Indian Namaskar system. We call it as a Tamil name is Vanakkam. Okay. Put this mudra, then fold your middle finger like this. Fold your middle finger and touch the nail of each fingers. Remaining part of your both the hands should be extended like this. If you can able to do this mudra perfectly, it means that your lungs is good. If anybody cannot be able to do this mudra right now, you can check yourself. It's a self-diagnostic tool also. If you're not able to do this mudra, it shows your lungs or your bronchitis may be having some problems. Okay, this mudra is Swasa Mudra. What is the benefits of this mudra? Expansion in bronchitis regularize the breathing very quickly. Second one, allergies in throat gets subsidized. Third, reduces fear feeling. Whenever your breathing is normal, you feel breathe deeply, it shows that you will be very confident, you will be very brave, and you are attractive also. So whenever you do this mudra, it ensures that this quality. Then remove bad odor in our breath. So the breathing discomfort or anything related with your breathing, you please remember this mudra is benefited. How much time? Minimum 15 minutes, maximum 30 minutes. So this is comes treatment basis. No need to do this as a preventive medicine. This is a treatment base. Once you do this mudra, your asthma condition will be ready to cure. Day by day, it shows improvement. After 21 days, it's a course of treatment is 21 days. Any mudra, you list out your disease first and find that mudra for the disease. That mudra you must do every day in the conditions. For 21 days, it's a treatment. After 21 days only, you may expect some results. The benefit will come immediately, but the curing stage will come only after 21 days. Okay, so this mudra is Swasa Mudra. The third one, very interesting mudra. Nowadays, all the persons, if you an adult means 18 years or 21 years, okay, whatever the limit. Now, all the countries, all the peoples having the universal problem is blood pressure. Wherever you live, no problem. Whether you are in the city or in the jungle, no problem. But it shows that you may have BP. Nowadays, in our small children also having blood BP pressure, stress, so many problems because watching TV, using mobile phones. You know one thing, if a child below 18 years, if they use the touch screen, they may loss of memory in their lifetime. The Alzheimer disease will come very fastly. Normally the Alzheimer disease is attack the humans only after 50 or 50 plus. Nowadays, those who are using touch screen under 18 years, this Alzheimer disease will come very fastly. Maybe 30 plus, definitely. Okay. This BP related problems, what is the mudra? Okay. This mudra name is Ratha Alutha Samana Mudra. It is a Tamil name. The English name is BP regulatory mudra. Okay. How to do this mudra? Before that, what is the symptoms, whether if we have a BP or not? Okay. The symptoms of the BP is mild headache, frequently mild headache. If you have mild headache in the morning, daily, or in the evening, or sometimes, it shows your BP may be irregular. Okay, the second one, frequent giddiness. Third one, faintness. Fourth one, chest pain, some small chest pain. Then it results is high blood pressure or low blood pressure. So whether it is high BP or low BP, in mudra science, it's a neural science, So these signs have a fantastic solution. This mudra name is Ratha Alutha Samana Mudra. Okay. How to perform this mudra? See, my hand is like this. You may do like this. This middle two fingers just fold. Don't crunch. Okay. Just fold and touch wherever it is possible in your palm. Okay, wherever it is possible in your palm. Touch here and extend other three fingers like that. If you can able to feel pulse here, it is assured this mudra is working fine. Okay, see, step 1. Step 2, extend three fingers. Step 3, feel the pulse where the touches. Okay, if you are not able to do this mudra, somebody is having like this, somebody is having like this or like this, so you cannot able to fold, that may be, it's a self-indication tool, you may have blood related problems. That is mainly low BP or high BP. Don't worry about that. If you're taking medicine also, it shows like that. If you're doing this mudra every day morning, 30 minutes per day, so your blood pressure will normally another 6 hours. After 6 hours, while taking tablet, no? So that kind of things you may do this. Morning 20 minutes, evening 20 minutes. Ensure that your blood pressure will be normal, become normal. How many days? Minimum 21 days, maximum 60 days you must do repeatedly. After that, no need to do this. Whenever you feel the symptoms, you can repeat. Otherwise, not necessary to do this regularly. Okay. Okay. How to do this mudra? Fold your middle two fingers and touch the palm. Okay. How many minutes? 15 minutes to 30 minutes. What is the benefits to do this mudra? Regularize in both high as well as low blood pressure. Controls excessive thirsty. Reduces shivering in hands and legs. Controls giddiness within short time. These are all the benefits. There should be a V shape between index finger and thumb finger. That is the main focus you must concentrate. Okay, don't do like this. You must extend your thumb like this, almost V shape. Okay, so you must do both the hands. Whenever you do these mudras, it is possible to, your palm is upright, it will be more benefited. It is possible to move your palm as upright condition, it is a more beneficial. Okay, now we completed 3 mudras. These 3 are very important as a human being. Then 4th mudra is temperature control in our body. This is another interesting condition. The temperature control. We all know only the temperature is fever condition. It is not like that. Whenever we have basic alignment changes in our body, our temperature will vary. This condition is in our Tamil Siddha's book mentioned as a Ushna Seer. Ushna means heat. This mudra represents Ushna Seer Mudra. Our heat controller, our body temperature controller is our heart wall, not valve. It's a outer side of our heart is controlling our body temperature. It's a very interesting research. So this heart wall, day by day, every day, evening 5 to 7, evening 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock, it will regenerate itself. That's why we all advise to take a small walk or small jogging or small outdoor exposure in the evenings. We say it in Tamil, Maalai Veyil Manidanukku Nallathu. That means the evening sunrise is benefit to the all human beings. So the Ushna Seer Mudra, what is the symptoms if we need to do this mudra, whether it is need or not? What is the symptoms in that? One is our body is feel excessive cold conditions, otherwise excessive heat temperature. So these cold and heat may be abnormal conditions. It shows that we must do this mudra immediately. How to do this mudra? It's very simple. See, in our hand, fold first two fingers like crunch position, fold, double fold, okay? Extend another two fingers like this, and using your thumb, close this hole in your index finger, okay? This kind of slightly fold your thumb outer way. This mudra is called as a Ushna Seer Mudra. This Ushna Seer Mudra is benefited to strengthens the lungs also, keeps stomach in managing temperature, while fever do this mudra for better benefit. For allergies, this mudra could be done as supportive, control sneezing and hiccup also. If somebody is having a continuous hiccup, if a person having continuous hiccups morning to evening, it may show that his heartbeat will go slowly down. So this is very, very useful, and keep remember that mudra. This mudra must do whenever the person having severe hiccups or continuous hiccups. This is Ushna Seer Mudra. The duration is 15 minutes to 30 minutes. So these kind of mudras we have found in so many temples in our Tamil Nadu as well as Tamil culture, wherever in the world, wherever the Tamil cultures they are creating a temple structures, they keep remaining all the mudras in their temple structures. That is very, very advanced technology in the treatment method. But we may not know all these techniques before that. Now we recollecting all the informations from various places, and we are exploring that and giving medicinal research also. Now the Kanna Foundation is proving that each mudra having various benefits from medically. So that's why I am sharing with you. Okay. After 108 mudras, now the Kanna Foundation is ensuring that another mudras also. Totally we found that 3,000 plus mudras. These 3,000 mudras, every month we took one mudra and doing that research and published that. Kannan Kural, that Tamil magazine name is Kannan Kural. If you can able to log in www.kannankural.com, will be guided you so many new mudras. The recent days we found a cancer mudra also. That mudra is previously known as a puja mudras. All Hindu culture they are doing homam and other things, no? They are doing that mudra very frequently. but miracle that mudra is cure your cancer. So we found that song also in old palm script. Now we translated that and exploring that mudra and giving testimonials to more than 200 cancer patients throughout the world. Now we are getting feedback from them. Now past 1 week we are getting 2 or 3 feedbacks. It is very fantastic. Their hemoglobin level is very high. While taking cancer treatment, chemo and other things, whatever the medicine treatment they are going, ultimately the cancer causes reducing their hemoglobin level. This mudra will be giving more benefit to those kind of patients. They are feel better and taking that medicine also, doing that treatment also, practicing this mudra, their hemoglobin level from 4 to enhancing to 9. It is amazing. Within 2 months, how it is possible? It's all from nature. We are all miniature of natures. So it is possible. So I request you to everybody, spread this message throughout our friends and relatives and ask him to do this mudra. Whatever the problem, we have solution. That is called the fingers as our doctor. If you are ready to use your fingers as doctor, we assure you that cure your all the diseases within a short time. The modern medicines and the remaining medicines are all giving supporting system. This mudra will be curing system. So this is very, very useful. So the next mudra is prana mudra. What is that prana mudra? Our body is 5 primary gases in our body. In our old Siddha system, Siddhargal system, Mahagurus, they are all Agatyar, Tirumolar and Bohar. So many gurus are there. They are all saying that our human body is structured by 72,000 nadis and Panchaputa Tattvas, and it will the functionality energy, that is called the petrol energy or electric energy, whatever you may call it as. Our body is running by gas energy, vayus. What is the primary vayu of that? First one is prana vayu, second one is apana vayu, third one is utana vayu, fourth one is vyana vayu, fifth one is samana vayu. These 5 primary vayu structure maintain our body and ensure that it is working fine. It's a working condition. If any distraction in this 5 alignment, 5 vayus, we may get diseases. Mostly the prana vayu, the basic location of the prana vayu is our lungs. Apana vayu is our large intestine or in the exit positions. Third one, the udana vayu is our stomach. Fourth, vyana vayu is our shoulders. The udana vayu is mostly dealing with our digestion system. Vyana vayu is mostly dealing with our movements, sitting, running, laying, walking, eating, seeing, whatever it is, our movements, it is belongs to vyana vayu. The samana vayu, the fifth one is a supervisor to ensure these 4 vayus are working fine or some problems, it will be giving support to the other systems. That kind of things. The first one is prana vayu. This prana vayu mudra, how to do this? Before that, if you need some symptoms to vayu, if you want to do this mudra or not, okay? What is the symptoms to knowing if you do this mudra? First symptom, you will feel very weakness. Your body gets weak. Almost all the times you may feel sleepy. You feel tired. You feel some thirsty. Second one, excessive hunger. Sleeping disorder. So many tiredness conditions will occur. How to do this mudra? Okay. Using your hand, ring finger and little finger touches the tip of your thumb and make a round shape. Whenever you touch the finger's tip of your thumb, give slightly touches. Don't give too much pressure on that. So give slightly and gentle touch and feel the pulse wherever you touch this. Okay. Another remaining two fingers keep like this. This mudra is named as a prana mudra. What is the benefit of doing this mudra? Because without knowing benefit, we may not able to come to a conclusion whether this mudra is need or not, right? What is the benefit? Increasing immunity. Our immune system get benefited, first thing. Second, prevents various problems in stomach. This mudra deals with Manipuraga chakra, Manipuraga chakra is our navel chakra. So this navel chakra is connected with our digestive system. So prevents various problems in stomach. Remedies to sleeplessness. Helps in good functioning of kidney. Controls eye related allergies. Nowadays, very small childs also having the spectacles conditions. They are putting specs and they are having eye problem and long sight, short sight. Every month the disease condition is increasing. So for that condition, I advised to do this mudra. This prana mudra will be benefited for eyesight also. Okay. The condition is touch the tips is very softly. Don't give too much pressure. Okay. This is prana mudra. Okay. What is the next mudra? Arti mudra. Arti mudra is dealing with our almost all the joint pains, arthritis conditions, or normal knee pain, or ankle pain, or any elbow pain, frozen shoulders, telboyenis, and wrist problems. Whatever the name, medical term we give it as, no problem. But basically it is a joint pain problem. Okay. For the joint pain, this Arti mudra is more beneficial. Okay, how to do this mudra? Before that, what is the symptoms, whether we may do this mudra or not? We may know the symptoms, So what is the symptoms? First condition is softened joints. Our joints are all become very soft. Inflammatory condition. Joint pain in hands and legs. Joint osteoarthritis. Joint swellings. Muscle stiffness. These conditions noted to do this mudra is very effectively. Okay, how to do this mudra? See, this mudra is, you must touch different fingers in different hands. If you are doing both the hands, you must do both the hands. The first thing is, in the right hand, you must touch ring finger and thumb. Left hand, center finger and thumb. These two touches make Arti mudra. This Arti mudra will be benefited for joint pains. While doing this mudra, concentrate and do this mudra, both the hands. While concentrating, give more benefit. When you are doing this mudra, you concentrate where is the pain is there. If you pain in your elbow, you concentrate and concentrate the elbow condition and do this mudra. You feel that the pain will be released shortly. After 20 minutes, definitely you feel better. Even frozen condition also, you may get some flexibility. So what is the benefit? Controls joint pain, joint swelling, and heals infections in bone marrow. Whenever your bone marrow is good condition, it ensures that your blood flow also good condition. Increases HB in blood. relieves pain in all joints in the body. So these three main benefits are there. Other indirect benefits are you may walk quickly, you may sit quickly, you may stand quickly. So your movements will be adjusted as fast as possible. Whenever you feel the pain, you may not be able to move frequently or suddenly. So this mudra will be benefited for old age peoples also. Nowadays, more than 50 to 60 years peoples, above 50, they are not able to walk freely, they are not able to sit and stand freely. So practicing this mudra will be more benefited for them. Daily 30 minutes while watching TV or talking to somebody or traveling by bus or car or flight or train. So they can do this mudra. After doing this mudra, they feel very happy. If you experience that, you are amazing. You feel very better. Please try to this and give advice to some of persons who are suffering from the joint pains. Okay. Next mudra, Teni mudra. What is Teni mudra? Teni means honeybee. In Sanskrit, it's Brahmari. The honeybee mudra, the Teni mudra, Brahmari mudra, all are same. The language is different. It is mainly dealing with allergies, any type of allergy. So allergy types we may not able to categorize. Each person having different allergies. So many allergies are there. Whatever the allergy it may be, whether it is smoke allergy or dust allergy or food allergy or mosquito bite allergy or light allergy or any type of allergy, they immediately reminder that this Teni mudra is the only solution without medicine. What are the symptoms whether we may do this mudra or not? First one is any food allergy. If you're going somewhere, eating something or eating more, whatever it is, your body may react aggressively. Oh, I am not accepting this. So it will give itches or sneezing or watery eye or some gas trouble, whatever it is, or red drops or bulging, whatever the condition it may be, you are ready to do this mudra. You can riding off that problem within 30 minutes, I am sure. Okay. Second one, mosquito bites, small insect bites, urticaria due to bug bites, and as well as tiredness also. If you are doing this mudra in the morning time, it gives freshness and very good energy level throughout the day, almost 8 hours. At the same time, if you do this mudra in the night time, it ensures that definitely you are losing your sleep. So don't do this mudra in the night time. After 7 o'clock in the evening, don't do this mudra. If anything allergies in this night, no problem, you do this mudra. Ensure that that day your sleeping will cut off sometime. Okay. How to do this mudra? See, in our hand, fold your index finger or make a circle in your index finger. Touch the tip of your index finger under the thumb in the V condition level. See, like this. Using your thumb, don't fold your thumb. Wherever touches in the middle finger, outer side of the first line. Extend your other two fingers like this. This is Teni mudra. You must do both the hands. This mudra is very, very useful at any allergy conditions. Okay. What is the benefits of doing this mudra? Suitable for any kind of allergies. Do daily 15 minutes in the morning to keep body fresh and the whole day. Another main benefit is regenerate your breathing. So it will interact with the prana also. So your lungs will be get benefited. Ultimately, another 8 hours we feel very freshly. Okay, the duration of doing this mudra is 15 minutes to 30 minutes. If you need, you can do 2 or 3 times per day. Again, keep remember, don't do these mudras in the walking position. Only you must sitting or laying down. Okay, sitting in the car also you can do, sitting in the bus also you can do, sitting in the train also you can do, sitting in the flight also you can do, sitting in the house watching TV also it is possible, you can do this mudra. Okay, don't do while walking. Okay, what is the other mudra? Now I am teaching you one fantastic mudra. It means that, namely Kavali mudra. In Varmakalai we have one Varma point. It's a vital point is a Kavali Varmam. This Kavali Varmam is dealing epilepsy condition or convulsion or convulsion. Okay. In Tamil we say it a Valipu Noi. Whenever the problem will come to a person, he may lost his memory and he may lost his condition, he may lost his situation, he will fall down and he will bite his own tongue and he will salivate, and teeth are very strong and they close their teeth together, and if anything conducting with their teeth they may cut also, and they fall down. While falling down they may injured. So it is very bad condition. They may not know their conditions. After some times, while they are getting relieved from that, they feel very sigh, they feel very stress, they feel very anxiety problems. So now the modern medicine is dealing some tablets and controlling that one. Try to control, but not able to cure itself. But in the old system, before inventing some medicines and other things, our old peoples are dealing with this is very easily. How they are giving on key chains to the particular affected person. What is happening in that time? They are holding their keys very strongly, So they are giving very strong position. After that strong clench, after the strong structure, after 2 or 3 minutes, they will become normal. What is happening in that time? The Kavali Varmam is here. If you touch here, you feel a pulse. That vital point is called as a Kavali Varmam. This Kavali Varmam give immediate relief from convulsion. How? See, extend your fingers like this, the L shape. Touch in the bottom of the V shape, the cut level. Another hand's thumb must be touch in the upper side of the same position. So this structure is Kavali Mudra. If you can able to do this, is very fine. Otherwise, try to do this. If an affected person is a girl, do this mudra in left hand. If the affected person is a male, do this mudra in right hand. The doing mudra is only for the patient, not for you. Who is affected, you must do that mudra. Okay? This is for boys, male. This is for girls or females. How many times? If you are in the emergency condition, you give more pressure and give extended. Okay, this is the condition. You must pull out, give more pressure and pull out. After 2 or 3 pull-outs, the person will get relieved. In the normal condition, they can do this mudra, just touch and feel the pulse here. Daily 20 minutes, early morning, and in the night 20 minutes. They will be more benefited like using the tablet also. the same benefit will be assured. Another indirect benefit is there. If somebody is having severe constipation, they are sitting in the restroom. While sitting there, they can practice this mudra in the left hand, give little pressure. They will be benefited to free tools will come out. So this is Kavali Mudra. What is the benefits to doing mudra? Continuously do for 10 minutes, 3 times to get relief from heel pain also. Suppose a person is having heel pain in the left leg, they must do this mudra in right hand, opposite hand. Here is boys or girls or no problem, female or male or no problem. Whether they have problem in the left heel, they must do this mudra in the right hand. They feel problem in the right heel, they must do this mudra in left hand. Cures constipation. The third one, reduces pain around the navel chakra. Navel chakra means our Manipura chakra in the stomach region. Sometimes our little girls comes premature, all 8 years old, 9 years old, 10 years old girls are nowadays attend PBT. So they may feel stomach pain, premenstrual disorders. In that condition, this Kavali Mudra will be more beneficial for them. Do 5 minutes while they feel the pain in the navel chakras or in the stomach region, lower stomach region. Definitely the pain will relieve within 5 minutes. Immediately cures convulsion or fits. For regular basis, doing this mudra for 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Whether required, they may do 2 or 3 times in a day. This mudra is Kavali Mudra. Okay. What is the most amazing mudra? We already told you in our Tamil culture, we have a script for more than 3000 mudras. All the 3000 mudras, or among the all 3000 mudras, we found one mudra is eligible to do immediate after food. Whenever you are taking food, you can able to do this mudra immediately. Other mudras will be give break for 30 minutes. I already indicated do's and don'ts. So only this mudra can do immediate after food, lunch, breakfast or dinner or any time whenever you take or eating, do this mudra immediately. This is the only mudra. What are the symptoms to do this mudra? Whether I need to do or not. Acidity or indigestion. Whenever you get indigestion or whenever you get acidity, you must remember this mudra, do this. Second, mild giddiness. Giddiness for unknown cause. Neither it is not a heart problem or it is not lungs problem. Suddenly you may get some giddiness. Third one, wherever you feel pain in your body, it's a pain relief mudra. That mudra name is Vayu Mudra. General Vayu Mudra, not Prana Vayu or Apana Vayu or Viva or Uttanan or Samanan. It's a general Vayu Mudra. It's a common Vayu. Okay, how to do this mudra? It's very easy. Very easy. How to do this? See? Extend your fingers all like this. Do this mudra as both the hands. The step is fold your index finger and put your thumb on the second folder and give little pressure to touch in the bottom of your thumb. Extend other 3 fingers like this. You must do this mudra both the hands. The duration minimum 30 minutes. So if you do this mudra for 30 minutes, you will be benefited to indigestion or general body pain or mild giddiness whatever the problem, wherever you feel in your body, definitely you will be benefited. I give another idea to get rid of your pain related problems. If somebody is having some pain in the left side, let me say in the left side leg pain, so they can keep their fingers like this for 10 minutes. After that, just give rotation in the right side hand without opening this mudra. In this mudra, give clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 time movements in the right side. They feel better or pain relieved in the left region. If you feel pain in the right region, the same way you can act as your left hand. So this type of benefits will give this mudra. Main thing is, wherever we go to hotels or somebody, nowadays we are all going to so many tours and visiting other places and visiting other families and visiting so many functions, and we may taste so many variety of foods. South Indians are eating North Indian food, North Indians are eating South Indian food, both are eating Chinese foods. Wherever we live in the world, now we can able to get our foods from our doorsteps, whether it is Chinese or Mexican or Japanese, whatever it is. So these foods may give allergy to normal persons. If you can able to do this mudra after eating, ensure that no allergy will come to you. It will digest. Whatever you eat, it will digest after 10 minutes. It's amazing mudra. Everybody must know this. Okay? What is the benefit of doing this mudra? Heals all types of pain. Wherever pain it may be. Keep remind this mudra is benefited. Okay? Reduces unsteadiness in walk. If somebody is walking like that, not drunken walk, somebody is not drunken also, they walk like that. So it's like cat walk. They can also do this mudra. So reduces unsteadiness in walk. Third one, sharpness in the mind by doing regularly. Fourth one, reduces gastric problems. Controls the food abnormality if doing mudra immediately after the food. The minimum duration is 15 minutes, maximum duration is 30 minutes. You can do this mudra 4 or 5 times per day. So this is one of the most advanced mudra. Everybody must know this mudra. Whenever we eating, wherever we eating, you please do this mudra minimum 10 minutes after eating. While you are washing hands, after immediately you do this mudra. Okay? Then Linga Mudra. What is the conditions whether this mudra I have to do or not? The first condition is excessive cold. Nowadays all the shops or offices or in the house, we are giving air conditioned room. So some persons having cold allergy, so they are not able to withstand that cold. If 4 or 5 persons with a family, all persons are going to a movie, somebody is feeling very cold. So what is the condition that time? So they may not able to come out from the movie because very interesting that one. So they cannot able to adjust also, it's very cold. So the embarrassment is very, very bad condition, embarrassing situation. Okay, another one is shivering condition. Then chest phlegm. Then obesity also they can do this mudra. So these 4 conditions the peoples must keep remember. This Linga Mudra will be benefit for this. If any symptoms in this 4, they can able or they can eligible to do this mudra. How to do this mudra? Interlace your fingers. Join your both the hands. Join your both the hands and touch your hands in the circular motion. Join your hands in circular motion. Extend other thumb like this. It is another wondering of doing this mudra. You can see whether a male person doing this mudra is automatically their left thumb is upcoming. If female doing this mudra, the right thumb is upcoming. It's amazing. It is related with your estrogen and testosterone hormones. If a girl doing this mudra, definitely this is the position. Automatically it will come. It is feel very comfortably. If a boy doing this mudra or male doing this mudra, the left thumb comes up. It shows that wherever, whether it is boy or girl, they have more testosterone produced, left thumb is upright. More estrogen is secreted, right thumb is upright. So this is the whole secret of our body. Okay. What is the benefit of doing this mudra? Rises the body temperature. If you're going to some hill stations, sudden climatic changes are there. Very cold. You feel not able to withstand that climatic conditions. So you do this mudra for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you feel your body temperature is very high. You can able to walk, or run, or stand, sit without any woolen dresses. Second one, reduces excessive fat deposits. If somebody is having obesity in the stomach regions, they have more fat, cholesterol level, or LDL. This mudra is beneficial to reduce your cholesterol level. Reduces belly or tummy. Pushes out the phlegm. If we have cold, our chest is congested with cold phlegm. So doing this mudra is help to reduce the phlegm, pushes out, increases the digestion power. So these benefits are all for Linga Mudra. If anybody wants to do this mudra, I am keep reminded to 3 symptoms. One is excessive cold, wherever you feel cold or shivering. Second one is chest phlegm. Third one is obesity. If you have 3 conditions, either one or 3 also, you can do this mudra every day. Whenever you practice this mudra, after doing, you feel very thirsty. Even 2 or 3 minutes, you feel very thirsty. Then after 10 minutes, you drink plenty of waters. If excessive thirsty occurs on doing this mudra, drink water after 15 minutes of completion. So this mudra is dealing with your temperature control system. Whenever it combines with your temperature control, I already told you, the temperature is related with your heart wall. So whether it is cold condition or very high temperature, you must combine with Ushna Sir Mudra and this mudra. If you say cold condition, you do this mudra alone. If somebody is going to Dubai or any Arab countries, there they feel very hot. So they must do Ushna Sir Mudra also. So suppose in Dubai, one person is going there, they feel very chest congestion, phlegm. So this mudra is very beneficial. So they doing this mudra, again the body temperature will go up high. Already the temperature is outside also high. So this mudra is also giving more heat. So the person may not able to manage the temperatures. So immediately after doing Linga Mudra, so I advise to do Ushna Sir Mudra also. So this type of research is medically tested. Okay, minimum 15 minutes, maximum 30 minutes. So I may get thirsty also. I am doing this mudra now, so I am getting thirsty. Okay. Now I teach you one global needed mudra. It's a relief from headache. The reason may be unknown reason. So many reasons. So the headache will come without any reason also. What is the symptoms? Congestion in neck, head or forehead. This is the condition. So we call it as a headache. So what is the mudra for that? Talai Churi mudra or Ravana mudra. Talai Churi mudra or Ravana mudra. How to perform this mudra? You must watch this mudra is very careful because it is very difficult in the left hand. Right hand you must do like this. Right hand you must do like this. Right hand you must do like this. First touch the first two fingers in your thumb. Okay, this is. Left hand, watch carefully. Fold your ring finger and touch the tip of your thumb. Using that tip of your thumb, give pressure, extend your middle finger. Okay, this is the main tip. Okay, give pressure in the thumb, tip of your thumb, and extend your middle finger. So these two combinations is give you Talai Churi mudra. This Talai Churi mudra will be benefited to headache. We have so many mudras to cure our headaches because the headache variety is very vast area. So many headaches. Even all ladies having premenstrual headaches, or childs have pre-exam headache, or parents has pre-school headache or post-school headache, and pre-marriage headache, post-marriage headache. So many headaches we call it as. This mudra is most benefited. See, many mudra heals headache, but on first aid basis this mudra gives instant relief. Another benefit is give deep sleep. If you do this mudra in this office time, already you feel very sleepy. If you doing this mudra is more sleepy. Okay, while in the night time, if you are ready to do this mudra, ensure that you feel good sleep in the night. Regularize breathing. Large quantity of oxygen is absorbed by the body. You feel amazing if you do this mudra for 20 to 30 minutes while sitting in somewhere else in the outer area. Your lungs will be able to gather more oxygen rather than the normal conditions. So these of three benefits or some of three benefits, but actually this mudra is having so many benefits. Mostly we suggest this mudra is a first aid for your any type of headache. This mudra name is Talai Churi mudra. We have one note condition also. Mental stress causes head pain. As the blood vessel shrinks, oxygen supply to brain is reduced, causing head pain. While doing this mudra, already I told, regularize breathing, large quantity of oxygen is absorbed by the body. So definitely our headache will be normal by using this mudra. This mudra is Talai Churi mudra. Okay. Then another one first aid mudra I am introducing you. This mudra is not using by your hand. It is another Adangal point. I already told the Varmakala is having 5 types of classification. The 5th one is Adangal Varma. The Adangal Varma is 8 parts founded. The first one is our hand, our palm, and so many things. In that, our tongue also one Adangal point is there. This mudra is doing using our tongue. What is the symptoms for doing this mudra? Drowsiness. Nowadays all are driving to car or bike, whatever the vehicles. We all driving too much driving and heavy traffic also. We feel very drowsiness while sleeping, while driving. It's very dangerous. Not dangerous to ourselves, it's dangerous to others also. So we must be very careful for that. If we may know some relief or idea to get rid of the drowsiness, is very important thing. Somebody is drinking tea or coffee, smoke or whatever it is. This is the very easy method. No need any tools. Using your own tongue, you can get rid of your drowsiness. How to perform this mudra? Okay, now everybody is ready to do this mudra. Ready? Let me explain. See, bite to the tip of tongue like this and close your mouth. Bite the tip of your tongue and close your mouth. Now swallow your saliva 3 times without leaving your tongue. That is very important. Once you bite, don't leave it. If you're not able to 3 times, if you're not able to do this 3 times, definitely your body is suffering some of blood related problems or breathing related problems. You may go to check your body with the normal conditions. If you can able to do this, your body is very good condition. This mudra name is Andai Mudra. Okay, Andai means owl. So this mudra is Andai Mudra. Whenever you do this mudra, immediately your intellectual part, your eye, nose, ear and brain also get immediately activated. So another 3 to 4 hours you feel not sleepy. Okay, you don't feel sleepy. Okay, that is the only one condition. It's very rare condition. You must bite your own tongue. That is very important thing. Otherwise it is very difficult to prevent the sleepiness. Okay, what is the benefits? It alerts the sense organs, ears, eyes, mouth, skin and nose immediately. The sense organs is very important to our concentrating things. So this mudra will give immediate alertness to our sense organs. While you do this mudra, another 4 hours, you will feel very energetic. It stimulates your brain and keeps the mind fresh. So whenever you feel sleepy in the classroom or in the office or in the driving condition, whatever be you may need to do this mudra, you can experience that. And I requested you to don't do these mudras when the time is midnight, 12 o'clock to morning 3:30 a.m. Wherever you live, whether it is in the Malaysia or Singapore or India or US, UK, wherever it is, in your time region, the time must be night 12 o'clock to morning 3:30 a.m. Don't do any mudras because that time is Nitrai Mudra. That sleepiness also is a mudra. It's a Nitrai Mudra. So the Nitrai Mudra time is 12 to 3:30 a.m. Remaining almost 20.5 hours you can do mudras. Any type of mudras you can do. So these kind of things is fingers as our doctor. Now you may come to a conclusion how to cure all the diseases without any medicines. And this is a sample for you. This is a testimonial for mini sample. We have large quantity of mudras and large type of solutions. I have made a book as a fingers as a doctor, 108 sutras. You can collect from that book from our website www.kannafoundation.org. and the monthly magazine is www.kannankural.org. kannankural.com. You can download ebook also in the monthly magazine, but the 108 Sutras is only hard copy is available right now. You can be using that facilities. My request is you first learn and experienced, and please try to teach somebody to get benefited to the world. I blessing you to get good life and disease-free life, longevity. God bless you. Thank you. Meet you again.